So after we landed and dropped off our luggage at the hotel, the first thing we did was go to this restaurant located in Kitsilano. It's called New Fuji. It's a Japanese restaurant, and the inside is like so adorable and like nostalgic. It's like a 90s, early 2000s kind of like kisaten vibe. All of the employees were like speaking Japanese to each other. It felt so authentic and made me miss Japan so much. Yeah, and the food was amazing. And then afterwards we hit up Blodell Conservatory. I'd never been there before. I just thought the outside of the building looked cool. It was like a giant dome.
This animal? Whoa.
So while Melissa was there to do a bunch of work things and go to a conference and all that, I was free to dilly-dally, cafe hop, and sketchbook lots. So I did have some work to do. Luckily, everything that I do is fully remote, so that's all good. And yeah, this first day on my own, I decided it would be cool to visit the Vancouver Art Gallery. So there were a couple different exhibitions in the gallery when I visited. So in between the two, I thought I would come to this cafe nearby and just have a little break, have a snack, some tea, and wrap up the little sketchbook spread that I was working on while I was at the gallery, draw some more people around me before I was ready to go back in. Later that evening, we visited a live music kind of bar slash restaurant. Whenever I travel, especially to cities bigger than the one that I live in, I always like to see what's out there for like live music. I love live music, especially in like casual little intimate settings like a bar or something like that you just like pay cover for and whoever's playing at the time is playing. And yeah, I just love that vibe. I love having a little beer and some snacks and sketchbooking as I listen and watch, and yeah. The next day, I visited the Vancouver Public Library downtown. The building was kind of crazy. It looks like the Coliseum, and on the inside, it was just as impressive. Libraries, along with, cafes and galleries, of course, are kind of my go-to places to visit whenever I'm traveling anywhere. I just went around and sat and kind of observed people around me and did some doodling at my sketchbook.
Work on my posture while I'm in shot. Yeah.
Later that same day, I went to go visit my friend Fran. Shout out Fran, who lives in Vancouver. And so we thought we would do a little work session while I was in town. It was lovely being in her home, working alongside each other. I feel like, so Fran and I used to work together at the same agency. It was all remote, but I've had very lovely memories working together with her and the rest of our team. So it was nice getting a little taste of that again.
Yeah, for me. What'd you have? Oh, yeah. I'm at it.
So I had come to the North Van shipyards once before and just loved it. I don't know what it is about being next to water or just being on a pier. It just feels very like peaceful and relaxed and like easygoing. I don't know. Just being next to water in general just makes me happy. So I wanted to make sure I came back and enjoyed a chill little day here, just sitting around enjoying some people around me on the docks. And and then I checked out a little exhibition at the Polygon Gallery. Beautiful space, beautiful building, really cool photography exhibition there. And that was pretty much the trip. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this much shorter video than what I usually do. I feel like it's become the norm that my videos are an hour plus. I really don't mean for them to be like that. And I didn't have any intentions to make this video shorter or longer by any means. It just kind of ended up being this length, and that's kind of, I guess, how all of my videos end up. They just are the lengths that they are. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this little change of pace, this more like travel-based one, shorter kind of vibe and voiceover and sketchbook and photo video. Yeah, I enjoyed making it, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching it just as much. And of course, as always, thank you so much to my motherfucking patrons. Here they are in all of their glory, perfect and beautiful in every way. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you for your support. I cannot begin to explain how warm inside I feel when I think about all of you who just, you know, are so sweet to me and just like wholeheartedly want to support me in like what I do. It's insane. So thank you. Truly, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, if you would like to join these beautiful, wonderful people for some reason, you can do so by checking out my Patreon at patreon.com/leechats. And yeah, that's it. That's all for this one. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope you had a nice time, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Okay. Bye-bye.